Hi, my name is Rita Dee, the #1 Venrap diva, and welcome to Venrap Diaries with who else? Rita Dee.
3, 2, 1.
Tonight we're at the University of Venda hosting the 2nd annual Gospel Festival.
Are you ready for Adziambei?
And I am your host tonight, so I'll be taking you around tonight. Yeah. Welcome to Venrap Diaries with the only Venrap Diva Rita Dee.
Thank you for having me here.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
We're at Univen, 2nd year Gospel Festival. You know, they're trying.
Yeah.
But I guess next year will be bigger. You know,
Super.
start small. Hi, welcome back to the first episode of Venrap Diaries. I'm here with the legendary, I might call him a doctor, but how was the performance?
Oh, wow. This was lit. This was wow.
Amazing. The sound was
by
amazing.
the legendary artist doing the legendary closure. The growth of the music industry, especially gospel music, is growing very fast. Even here at Univen, we've got upcoming musicians, gospel musicians who are very good. The voice, the talent is there.